lost it. I need help.
Do you think you could find it?
I can't find it. It might be far away.
Do you think it would help to,
What?
you think your kaleidoscope would help?
I have one.
Yeah. Maybe that would help.
And looks like a little more.
Do you see the baby?
I don't.
Huh.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Maybe it found its mommy.
I think it's still lost.
Uh-oh. What's it saying?
I think how babies talk. They help.
Help, help.
That's how babies talk.
What kind of animal do you think it is?
I don't know. It's far away.
Yeah, I'm concerned.
What? Yeah, dirt.
Do you think maybe that bird that was carrying the stick was carrying it to its baby?
Yeah. But he can't find it.
Maybe it was like, Mommy, bring your stick.
Yes, but I can't. Does it need help?
I don't know. I don't think so.